Today, we're going to walk you through how to install peel and stick wall tiles. We recommend watching this entire video until the end before starting your project. These tiles are an inexpensive and easy way to update your kitchen. Here's what you'll need for the installation: a tape measure, a level, a pencil, a ruler or a straight edge, a utility knife and plastic smoother, a step stool or ladder if your area is hard to reach, painter's tape, and your backsplash tiles. Check the batch numbers on each package of tiles to ensure they match. Also, remove the tiles from the packaging and check they are all free of damage or misprints. Allow the tiles to acclimate to the room where you'll be installing them for at least 48 hours. Let's review our FAQs while you wait. When it's time to install, make sure you prepare the wall properly. Clean the wall well with warm water. You don't want any cleaner or soap residue left over. Next, use the level to draw a horizontal line as a guide for your application. You can also use your countertop as your horizontal guide. Now we'll plan our layout before installing. You can use painter's tape to temporarily install the tiles while you plan. Pro tip: use your utility knife to trim excess backing paper to make planning your layout easier. If your tiles have a pattern, rotate each to find the best design match during this step. Complete your layout and try to plan so you won't have to cut in the middle of any tiles. Hold the tile up to your wall first to determine where the pattern matches, if needed. Then, mark on the back using your stencil or a ruler where you'll need to trim. Or use a scrap piece of paper or backing paper to create templates to trim your tiles. Score along your guide using a utility knife and a ruler as a guide. Then simply bend the tile to snap and instantly trim to size. When you're happy with your layout, you can start to install. Pull down an inch of the backing on one tile at a time. Be sure to avoid touching the adhesive, as any dust, dirt, or oil will affect its strength. Align the first tile along your guide. When you're happy with its placement, gently press to stick and peel off the rest of the backing. Then, firmly press to adhere to the surface. Repeat this process for the entire area where you're installing. And you're done! You can clean the tiles as needed with a damp paper towel or cloth using a mild soap. Our tiles are meant to be a more permanent application. However, they may be removed from some surfaces. Easiest kitchen upgrade ever.